Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah. Listen, Macau's first bishop, born in 1516, died in 1583, memorialized on the stamp.
One of the things about this particular street in Macau is the cobblestone street, which is a little bit hard on the cars, but it looks cool. Amigos do Espinho. So this little neighborhood is called Espinho, and it goes back in about 3 or 4 small lanes. And then that is also Patio do Espinho as well. And then that goes to alongside Sao Paulo ruins. I'm gonna go all the way up here. Here's the ruins of St. Paul's. This is in English right here. So 1602, so that backside had the archaeological remains of the... Okay, so we're going to be going directly down this street. This goes to Sao Paulo ruins. You can see the name. We'll get a better view of that street name later. But we're going to walk all the way down this way, this cobblestone street right here. And it goes right behind Sao Paulo ruins. So we'll go up to Sao Paulo ruins as well and just kind of highlight the whole area. Before we even begin, we're kind of in this big circular space. So we're going to highlight all of that. And right there is Kyungwoo Hospital right there. That's the biggest hospital in Macau. So we'll start at that spot. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So we're going to be going down that way. That's Kyungwoo Hospital right there, that big one. And then we're kind of in this roundabout space as well. And I think we might as well start out in this space because there's some pretty cool architecture. So we'll just kind of highlight the different angles from here, including these. And then down that way is St. Lazarus Church, down this way, and district. And that kind of goes up to the Monch Fortress. So we're at kind of a nice little intersection of different spaces, and we're gonna be going down that way, but we actually have one road, 2, 3. There's 3 right there. There's number 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is an intersection with seven intersecting streets. And that one goes all the way towards, there's a, that one goes down towards a cemetery. So one of the biggest cemeteries that's in the city is in that way. Okay, so our focus street is straight ahead, so we're gonna go straight ahead. So that's a little bit of a beginning part of our location. And we're gonna go down this way. And we'll go towards Sao Paulo ruins. And we'll get a better image of the street name as well as we go down. One of the things about this particular street in Macau is the cobblestone street, which is a little bit hard on the cars, but it looks cool. So yeah. And we're gonna highlight a couple things real quick that I want to show you. I did another video very recently where I started up near a fortress, and we're going to be kind of showing that area in a little bit. But that was called the Artillery Street, Artilleros, Hua de Artillero. And that was straight up on this way. You kind of meander up. We're gonna be seeing that again soon because we're gonna walk down this Target Street. A lot of tour groups dropping people off today. So we are gonna come over on this side. Macau. Nice image. So Chinese antique art furniture, straight ahead that way. It's a few souvenirs, like a little row of souvenir shops. I think they drop off a lot of tour buses on this street and then they go up to Sao Paulo ruins. So we're gonna see that as well. Keep on meandering. A lot of tour groups down here. Wow. Okay. So let me just see if we can meander through here a little bit. So we are gonna try to go through. So yeah, kind of a busy little street. Okay, so now that that bus went by, we can sneak by real quick. And let's try to move out of here. I think we got more souvenir shops over there too. And we're just gonna follow all these tourists. Wow. Okay. Tons of tourists everywhere. I haven't been on this street in quite a while, but they have kind of all these Portuguese connections: Acapulco, Nagasaki, Manila, Goa, Malacca, Lisbon. And then down there, there's a historical reference to this one. I think they did some excavating. Let me see. Okay, let's get over here. Okay, so they're doing excavations around St. Paul's Church. So yeah, the St. Paul's Church came 1500s. Protestant cemetery. So the Protestant cemetery is not too far from here. Military fortifications. So that's actually the top of the fortress. So actually these are just things that all over Macau. They're not really this area in particular. Okay, so I think this excavation, this street is actually, this is the name of the street right here. And they used to have this big, let's see what they kind of say here. Okay. But a long time ago they had a college here. Here, St. Paul's College. So there's also a college here and a big number of buildings, so they were all basically destroyed. So I think they're doing excavations. Maybe this is where the school used to be. So there might be some history down in there. That wasn't always there. And then up there is the fortress. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm still looking for our street sign. I saw two of them, but neither one of them was good enough to capture it on film squarely, because so let me just kind of see here.
When we crowd control is in place that rules
So that's the backside of the Sao Paulo ruins. Let me see. We're gonna attempt to go down this way. For one, I want to continue and see more of our street, and then number two, we can go up this little pathway up here and it's more interesting. And then number three, there's also some stuff to the right which we're going to go into in a second. So there's a whole little neighborhood back here. We're just going to wander in real quick. Yeah, it's a whole little community in here. And it's right off of, could go any one of these directions, but it kind of goes down a little bit. I think I don't want to get too far off of the main street here, so what I'll do is I'll stay behind Sao Paulo ruins and I'll go up this way. Then you'll also see some pretty interesting stuff down here anyways, including that. Amigos. Amigos do Espinho. So this little neighborhood is called Espinho, and it goes back in about 3 or 4 small lanes. And then that is also Patio do Espinho as well. And then that goes to alongside Sao Paulo ruins. So I think what we're gonna do next is I'll just walk in here briefly again. Yeah, basically you can do a lot of meandering in here. And I have done it, it's labeled under Espinho. But I want to stay faithful to our street. Captured the whole street there. And I think we're gonna go up to that Espinho up there. And I just want to see where the street ends. I think the end of the street is right here. And then this one actually turns into a different one called Largo do Campagna. So that's actually kind of interesting street as well. But our target street was this one right here. And this is actually the name of it. And I believe that this particular name, I'll look it up later, and I'll probably have some kind of reference to it in the video, I hope, when I upload it. But I believe that he's connected to one of the first bishops in Macau, the Portuguese, that came here. How long ago would that have been? 450 years ago. So we're going to go up these steps. And we're just going to come up over by Sao Paulo ruins, and then Try to get some kind of full circle to the video if it's possible. But this little area is called Patio do Espinho, or Espinho Courtyard. And we'll just meander through it. Then we're going to come out to the Sao Paulo ruin side. There it is. Here we go. Now we're going to capture all the crowds over on the front side of Sao Paulo ruins. Let's see. Got a lot of people here today. And now you can see how crowded it is. I'm going to go all the way up here. Here's the ruins of St. Paul's. This is in English right here. So 1602, so that backside had the archaeological remains of the St. Paul's College. So that was back at that time period. And these are the crowds today. Happy Chinese New Year. It's actually Chinese New Year today, February 10, 2024. And I guess we'll end our video right there. And over there is the fortress up that way. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la